In this video, we will discuss a 5-minute gold scalping strategy using the pullback trading method, which is very easy to use and highly profitable. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. Although we are demonstrating how to use this scalping strategy with the gold pair or XAUUSD, you don't need to worry. This scalping strategy not only works for gold, but it can also work just as well for other assets like forex, crypto, or others. What's even more amazing is that this trading strategy can essentially work on all time frames. That's why you can also use it for day trading, intraday, and swing trading. In addition, this scalping strategy will only use 2 free indicators from Tradingview. So, make sure to stay with us until the end of this video, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get started. To use this pullback trading strategy, you can go to Tradingview. Then, go to the Indicator Search tab and type in Pullback Trading Tool Alt. Next, select the Pullback Trading Tool Alt indicator by just Uncle L. After that, make a few adjustments to this indicator. In the Input tab, change the fast ribbon MA length value to 3. Then, also change the slow ribbon MA length value to 5. After that, you can enable the checkmark for Show SR Levels extension. Next, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck all options except Fast EMA, Slow EMA, Fast Anchored MA, Medium Anchored MA, Top Levels, Bottom Levels, and Anchored MA Fill. Then, change the color and thickness of the Fast Anchored MA and Medium Anchored MA lines so they are clearly visible. Once you're done, just click OK to save the changes. This pullback trading tool will be used as a trend guide, to spot pullback areas, guide entry points, and as a reference for placing stop losses in the market. The fast and medium anchored MA will be used to guide the trend as well as to identify potential pullback areas. If the fast anchored MA crosses above or stays above the medium anchored MA, it indicates a bullish trend. You should wait for the price candlestick to retest the fast and medium anchored MA areas before placing an entry. On the other hand, if the fast anchored MA crosses below or stays below the medium anchored MA, it indicates a bearish trend. You should wait for the price candlestick to retest the fast and medium anchored MA areas before placing an entry. To place an entry, you can look at the crossover between the fast MA and slow EMA lines. If the fast EMA line crosses and stays above the slow EMA line, that is a signal to buy. Meanwhile, if the fast EMA line crosses and stays below the slow EMA line, that is a signal to sell. Now, let's add the second indicator, which will be used to identify buy and sell areas in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Stochastic. Then, select the Stochastic indicator from Tradingview. After that, configure the settings for the Stochastic Oscillator. In the Input tab, change the %K length value to 24. Then, change the %K smoothing value to 3. Next, also change the %D smoothing value to 3. Now, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, disable the check marks for middle band and background. Then, set the upper band value to 95. Next, set the lower band value to 5. you can then adjust the color of the lines according to your preferences. Once done, just click OK to save the changes. Before using this stochastic indicator, you will need to add 2 horizontal lines first. Add the first horizontal line and set its level to 25. Then, add the second horizontal line and set its level to 75. To make them easily visible, adjust the color of the horizontal lines based on your preference. This stochastic indicator will help us identify buy and sell areas in the market. If the stochastic oscillator signal line is between levels 5 and 25, it indicates that the stochastic oscillator is in the buy zone. Meanwhile, if the stochastic oscillator signal line is between levels 75 and 95, it indicates that the stochastic oscillator is in the sell zone. However, if the signal line drops below level 5, it is considered an invalid signal. Likewise, if the signal line rises above level 95, it is also considered an invalid signal. Now, let's discuss how to use this scalping strategy with the pullback trading method. How to place a buy entry. If the fast anchored MA crosses above or stays above the medium anchored MA, it indicates a bullish trend. Before placing an entry, you can wait for the price candlestick to retest the fast and medium anchored MA areas. Wait until the stochastic oscillator signal line enters the buy zone. Once the stochastic signal line enters the buy zone, you can wait until the %K line crosses above or stays above the %D line. After that, wait for the fast MA line to cross above or stay above the slow MA line. For confirmation, make sure that the candlestick formed is a bullish candlestick. If everything aligns, you can place a buy entry after the bullish candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the last support level. Use a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell entry. If the fast anchored MA crosses below or stays below the medium anchored MA, it indicates a bearish trend. Before placing an entry, you can wait for the price candlestick to retest the fast and medium anchored MA areas. Wait until the stochastic oscillator signal line enters the sell zone. Once the stochastic signal line enters the sell zone, you can wait until the %K line crosses below or stays below the %D line. After that, wait for the fast MA line to cross below or stay below the slow MA line. For confirmation, make sure that the candlestick formed is a bearish candlestick. If everything aligns, you can place a sell entry after the bearish candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the last resistance level. Use a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always stay disciplined and maintain your own money management, as no trading strategy is 100% perfect. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.